Izehlakalo zokubulala, ukulinga ukubulala, ukukata, ukudlelezela endaweni abantu abahlala kizo kunye nokuthunjwa zikhuphukile. Ungqongqotjhe wezamapolisa ubheka icebo uyavuma bona ababulala ubuthongo ngobulelesi benzeke ebantwaneni nabomma. Kodwa njengombana amacala amaningi okukata enzeke ekhaya la kwaziwa khona bongazimbi nalabo abagadileko uthi kubabudisi bona amapolisa asebenze ngabo.
The question of women and children is worrying, Chairperson. What is more worrying on that level, especially rape, including murders, Chair, it's an unpoliceable way of these things that are happening. I'm sure you did see on the rapes that almost more than 50% now, than 50% of rapes happen in the houses.
Amalunga wePalamende athukiwe.
In 90 days, 11,000 rapes were committed. And now indicates that in 20 rapes every day over this period.
Ezinye inhlangano eziphikisako zithi azizithembi iimbalobalo lezi.
I don't see this as a reflection situation in South Africa.
I think that most South Africans would say that this is not an accurate reflection of the situation, based purely on the fact that most South Africans know that crime is underreported.
Should we conclude that the police are failing? Should we conclude that we'll forever live with these criminals in our communities?
Let us, I think, for once at least admit that we've lost the war on crime in South Africa.
There is no respect of police officers in South Africa. And this is not happening in our neighboring countries. You can't see that.
I
would request members to be hard on police where they are and to be kind where the police are doing the work and not just to blast the police as if it's only the police that are in there.
Ucela uvikele iimbalobalo lezi ngokukhumbuza amalunga wePalamende bona amapolisa abuthelele imininingwana le ngokusizwa liziko leembalobalo. uJomet Peterson uthi kuzokubanjwa umhlangano la amalunga wePalamende azokucocisana nesipholisa ngeembalobalo zamva nje, kodwa uthi amapolisa ngekhathwese ukuziphendulela wodwa ngesibalo esiphezulu sobulelesi. Uthi abantu benarha le bonke kufanele bazibuza imibuzo ebudisi bachukulula indlela abathanda ukuguruzela ngakho.